Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to use Adobe Express's new logo creator. It's in the trial stages right now, but it is super cool, easy to use, and can make some pretty quick and easy logos. So what we want to do is we want to go to adobe.com/express/create/logo. If this URL does not work for you, you can go to any search engine and type in Adobe Express Logo Maker and the link will pop up. So if you have an Adobe account already, we want to make sure that we are logged in, signed into our Adobe account. The one at our school actually links with our Google username and password that we use for everything else, so it makes it pretty easy. So what we want to do is make sure we're logged in first, and we're going to click on Create Your Logo Now. Okay, and so this is going to look a little interesting because it's not the way that a traditional logo would be created. But where it says My Restaurant Business, I want to change that to something that describes an interest that I have. So maybe I'm going to do my teaching business or my designing business. The next thing, my business is just actually going to be called my first and last name. You guys are important. Your parents all gave you unique and individual names. And so therefore, because we are important, we are going to capitalize the first and last name appropriately. If you want to add a slogan to your design, you definitely can do that. In this particular case, we were being sillier earlier, and I said, I'm everyone's favorite teacher. So you might just do like the next NBA star or, up and coming artist, whatever you want to say about yourself. The slogan is actually optional. So we're going to say next. And then it's going to give you 4 different aesthetic categories: bold, elegant, modern, or decorative. In this case, I want to do modern. It's clean and simple, and it's really easy to use. If you don't like what you see here, guys, you can always go back and change the aesthetic style that you choose. So we're going to click on modern, and I'm going to say next. Now the next thing it's going to do is it's going to show you an icon based on whatever your descriptive word was, where you put that in the restaurant block. And so here I've got lots of design type icons. I don't really see anything that I'm super excited about. You can definitely scroll down because sometimes you'll see other ones that you do not, you can't see unless you scroll down. So let's look at shape. Oh, goodness. Wow, that's a bad typo. So let's look at shapes. I'm going to press enter. And I want to do something that's a little bit kind of abstract. So I'm going to click on these shapes here to represent my my design, and then I'm going to press next. And it's going to give me some different options of logo creations that that I can choose from. I want to choose something that doesn't look like it could maybe be created easily in Microsoft Word or an easy word processing document. So kind of like this one right here. It's just a little bit different. It doesn't include the shapes that I chose, but I like the layout and the circle and stuff. So I'm going to click on this one. And the next thing I want to do is I want to change the color of it. So when you click on color, it's going to randomize your color choices. Excuse me. And so when you randomize the color choices, maybe you liked the very first color choice you had. So we're going to back it up, and I'm going to stick with this color choice. The other thing that I can customize is the font choices. When I click on font here, it's just going to give me some different options and suggestions that it likes. I can't actually select what font I choose from here because it's doing it for me. If I wanted to go in and choose a specific font, I would hit customize more. But for this lesson, we are just learning to explore the software and learning how to make the logo. So we're going to click on something super easy. I'm just going to stick with this. It's really clean and it's pretty simple. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to choose download. And when I download this, it may take it a minute to download. When I download my design, it should show up in the lower left corner of your screen as a download.